Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution Real Concept International Institute, Madrasa, School and College, Rasulpur Satkira, Sadar Satkira. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is about our teacher. The listener, the respected teacher are those persons who will learn something to gain knowledge in our life. Teacher are very important. To get of Allah means Allah, the progress of three chains. The of because a disobedient student must suffer in the soul of the world, the focus. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.